What's up, guys? We're about to put this crank seal in right here. And we're gonna keep you posted through that process. All right, what are we doing, Michael?
Just taking some purple power, cleaning the surface so we can spray it with the primer to get a nice coat on the metal. Don't want any grease in there. And then we're gonna try and get a little bit of degreaser on this rag to stuff inside here to clean the actual metal right there. So the sealant will grab and we won't have any chances of leaking.
It's very important to have a clean surface here for the primer and compound to mate to. All right.
So we're using this Permatex Surface Prep Surface Activator. It's basically meant for anebic metal. It's a very special sealant and primer for this metal. So we're gonna try and get it on the inside and then just all around. We're gonna let that activate for like 3 minutes and come back with their anebic flange sealant. Very special. You need this stuff or the Loctite stuff.
Cool.
So the activator also is gonna get sprayed. If you look closely, you're gonna see two little grooves. These little grooves are gonna meet up where the two blocks meet up right there. So we're just gonna hit it with a little activator. Let this activate for 2 to 3 minutes. All right, guys, so the activator setup, we're gonna use the anaerobic flange sealant. Just gonna put a little bit of that on these two grooves right here so we can really seal where that engine block meets together. Just like that. That's good. That's all you want. Not too much, not too little. Then after, we're gonna lay the tool just like this. And then make sure that's where the two blocks meet. It is. I like it. And we're gonna right there. Go ahead. Oh, it's okay if it slips off. Just get it back into place and go around evenly. Want to make sure that you're going around.
You really want to tap it light. There is a metal ring in there. Ideally, you would use a mallet, but
see how it's going in. Go around it. Get it nice and even. Go slow. Take your time. Don't want it to bend. There is a metal ring.
yeah, it's going.
You see it going in?
Yep. It's getting harder now that yeah, that's it. Yep. See, this end is starting to sit in.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Sealant's starting to dry, that's why. Shit.
We need a fridge.